Hi, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to see how we can install Python in Windows, Linux and Mac operating system. So we will first go ahead with Windows, go to Google and type Python. Go to the first link of Python website, that's python.org. Go to the download sections and download the Python version 3.8.1 for Windows. It's a 25 MB file. Once it's downloaded, you can click on the file to run it. Now you can see that default Python installer comes up. I'll use the option default option to install Python. So that's it. Python installation is successful. To launch Python, you have to go to the start menu and type Python. Congratulations, your console is up. Python has been installed on your system.